Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Amplified Oasis of the Seas. One of the things that got amplified are the staterooms, but there's always been a problem in staterooms, the lack of power outlets. But let me show you. They do have this little power outlet thingy here, but it's never enough. So I brought the little a 1 to 3 splitter so I get more outlets. But it's still never enough because you always got your maze of devices that need charge or just simply power. Underneath, there are more. There's actually more outlets under here. Yeah, both US and 220. But wait, there's more. Under the bed, there's actually more outlets under here too. But wait, if you're really hard for outlets, there's actually more power outlets in here. Problem is, you need to bring your star-headed Allen wrenches to get to them. And there you have it. Another helpful video from Mr. Shadow1969. If you liked it, or at least found it slightly informative, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully I'll see you on board soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.